how to grow and propagate cranberry hibiscus. There's something magical about the color of cranberry hibiscus. Look at these leaves all year round. It gives this beautiful burgundy color in the fruit forest, in the gardens, and look at the bloom. Isn't that stunning? This is just opening up. I have some people come to my garden and think that it's a Japanese maple when there are no blooms, but no, look at this bloom. Wow, I'll get you one where it's open too. They're so easy to grow. They like full sun, part sun here in Northeast Florida, and we have them in many different types of soils, different growing conditions, and they come again every year. Just gotta love that. Look at this cranberry hibiscus in bloom. Isn't that color just so gorgeous? And don't forget that the flowers are edible. Cranberry hibiscus is one of our favorite edible leaves plant. It is so easy to grow. Hence our 9B, it's a perennial. It will die back to the ground if we get frost. So right now it's November and we are taking cuttings. We are putting some in pots so that we can make more for next year. Here are 3 pots with cranberry hibiscus cuttings. We're just gonna make sure that they get some water over the winter and they will do just fine. This little area is a microclimate for the winter in the food forest. It is surrounded by big trees, palmettos, and we will make it so that we can throw a sheet just in case we do get a bad frost. I'm leaving this one in the ground because it is pushing up blossoms and thereby seed calyxes. Here's one that has flowered and the flower is spent and it's now preparing a seed calyx. This one I'm just going to cut low. I'm going to stick it in the pot. These in a pot, but I'm still going to be cutting them low because I want them to branch out a little bit more. So I just find a spot here where I can see them going in different directions. And that's what I'm going to cut them to this one. Yeah, you see some cuttings. I'm just going to strip up the bottom of the leaves and then just stick it in the ground. Just like this. Here, cranberry hibiscus leaves are edible and they make a great salad, pizza topping. You can use it in sautés. Just stick it in here. See, these are eaten up. I'll just put them in a pot to help fertilize the other ones. For cranberry hibiscus, you don't even have to use any rooting hormone. You just stick them in a pot. There you go. And that's how you propagate cranberry hibiscus, by cuttings. We have several cuttings just stuck in the ground. They're doing very well. Because it's winter, it is time to prune them. We've been doing this for about a month now. These bigger ones we're going to leave because they're making seeds. Although I do prefer to propagate them from cuttings. It is just so easy. But look how beautiful. Look how beautiful it is. Not only is it edible, but it brings in pollinators with these beautiful flowers. Look at these leaves. Look at the color. When I add some color in the salad, this is it. Beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and support the Dainty Treetops Family Farm by subscribing and helping us grow. Share with your friends. Hit that save button. Thank you for watching, and thank you for making the world a little greener.